the right side. Even let's stop for a moment and take your butterfly. Take your butterfly and notice how easier this leg comes towards the floor. Can you feel that? Less strain in this side? Because we only did a couple of reps here. So that's the contractibility here of the tissue. Knee can come closer to the floor. Let's go back to it. So left knee is resisting, we drag up. So it's intelligent energy is what our chi is and what we're working with here. So whenever we connect with a fascia flow move, because we're working that fascial area, well, the energy channels, these meridians, these channels that we know in Chinese medicine, they run in the fascial tissue. It's like little spaces, imperceptible to us, but these little spaces that the intelligent energy traverses, and then we connect with it through these moves and how we can then improve the energy now going to the urinary bladder, how we can improve the energy going to the liver, the gallbladder. It's all through these fascial, almost like rivers, if you want to think of it that way. Again, we can take the knee this way. We're just doing a deeper set for urinary bladder because we always need it. Resist and pull up with resistance, noticing that end range.